For my first privileged speech, I want to bring up an important issue that's affecting many of our constituents. The ongoing problem of unreliable cell phone signals in several barangays throughout the province of La Union. In today's digital world, staying connected isn't just a convenience, it's essential. Having a strong cellular signal is crucial for emergencies, education, business, public services, and keeping in touch with loved ones. Several areas have been reported to struggle with poor cellular connectivity, including the Barangay Dalakdak in the list of the municipality of Burgos, the Barangay Walayan in Tagudtod of Bagulin, Barangay San Fermin in Caba, and Barangay Magunggunay in Nagilian, among others. People living in these communities often find it hard to make calls, send messages, access online services, or communicate during emergencies. The lack of an reliable signal becomes especially worrying during natural disasters, medical emergencies, and other urgent situations where quick communication can literally save lives. Students also struggle to access online learning materials, while farmers, entrepreneurs, and workers miss out on opportunities that rely on good digital connectivity. We appreciate the efforts made by telecommunications providers and government agencies to expand network coverage. However, there's still an urgent need to tackle the communication gaps that continue to impact our rural and hard-to-reach communities. In this regard, I respectfully urge the concerned telecommunication companies, the Department of Information and Communication Technology, and the National Telecommunications Commission to conduct a comprehensive assessment and implement the appropriate measures, including the installation of necessary telecommunications infrastructure. I likewise call upon the Committee on Information and Communication Technology, in coordination with the Committee on Public Utilities and the Committee on Boundary Affairs, to look into this matter and support initiatives that will ensure inclusive and reliable connectivity across all communities in the province. Thank you, Madam Temporary Presiding Officer. Madam Temporary Presiding Officer, I now proceed to my second privileged speech. I express, or this representation, express my strong support for House Bill number 182, entitled An Act Granting the Universal Social Pension to Senior Citizens, amending for the Purpose Republic Act number 7432 as amended, otherwise known as the Universal Social Pension Act. This measure seeks to establish a universal social pension system for all senior citizens, ensuring equitable access to financial support regardless of economic status. It addresses the existing gap wherein non-indigent senior citizens remain vulnerable to rising cost of living, particularly healthcare and basic necessities. More importantly, it upholds the state constitutional duty to protect the welfare of the elderly and affirms the invaluable contributions to society. In provinces like La Union, where many elderly individuals rely on limited retirement income, family support, or subsistence living, this measure will provide much-needed assistance for essential needs such as food, medicine, transportation, and other daily expenses. It will also help ease the financial burden on families caring for their elderly loved ones. House Bill number 182 is not merely a welfare measure. It is a manifestation of gratitude, social justice, and responsive governance. It affirms that the nation values and honors those who have contributed to society throughout their lives. As a manifestation of my support for this important legislative measure, I shall sponsor a resolution before this august body entitled Expressing the Strong Support of the Sangguniang Pandalawigan of La Union for House Bill number 182, otherwise known as the Universal Social Pension Act. As an author, and Ma'am Eliza Sibuma and Sir Mix Magsaysay and Apo Harold as the principal sponsor. In view thereof, I respectfully urge the support of this august body, my dear colleagues, for House Bill number 182 and call for its immediate enactment into law. Thank you, Madam Temporary Presiding Officer.